Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2000. We have a 1989 Porsche Carrera Targa. And we went ahead and installed an aftermarket stereo in here. Hop in and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So, the reason why I wanted to make sure we did a video on this vehicle is because the stereo that we had actually put in is an OEM replica in-dash GPS. It has an SD card. We installed USB ports here. It's got Bluetooth hands-free calling and Bluetooth wireless music streaming. So it looks like a vintage stereo, but it's got today's features. Let the nav boot up so you can see what that looks like. And it's touchscreen too, which is cool. So you have touchscreen GPS. Obviously there's some limitations to it because of screen size and whatnot. But to be totally honest, if you own one of these vehicles, you're probably not in it a whole lot, but you do want to keep the original look, and this is how you do it. Again, this is done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.